today we are back with another video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We got some lovely, marvelous Born Pretty in the cut, and I was actually already filming this video, but I didn't have the audio set up correctly, so it was a fail. But I had already unboxed these two. This is the Watercolor nail gel, which I believe is like their version of a blooming gel, and then I have not seen this one, but this is, it says JN42, but this is some jelly color. And let's see, y'all see it? Oh my lord, this is nice. Okay, hold on, I'm not gonna get too excited. I'm gonna be swatching these out, so just let's unbox them first, you guys. So how you guys doing? You might see me looking over here because I have my setup over there, but I should be looking here. Long time no see. Thank you so much to Born Pretty for sending us this. You guys can always save on your Born Pretty goodies with my discount code Scorpion Goddess, and I believe that's for 10% if I'm not mistaken. You can go to the About tab on my channel and you can see all my discounts there. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so freaking excited. Oh my gosh, I literally, so you guys may know that I love like, for example, Nail Reserve LA, but Born Pretty is one of my all-time favorite gel polish companies. Well, they do have other stuff besides gel polish, but I love their gel polish. I've also tried their acrylic powder before, which I also love. And have I tried, do they have polygel? I'm not sure if, I can't remember if I've tried their polygel. I know one of my favorite polygels is by Model 1, so I'm not sure. Okay, this is a cat's eye magnetic gel. Oh my gosh. Oh sheesh. This is a holographic. You guys, can you even, why did I decide to do this unboxing over this background? I don't know. I'm so sorry, y'all. Okay, let me stop. I'm getting too excited. I need to take a drink of coffee to that. I am so excited. Like, I cannot. I'm just ripping the boxes open. I don't care about the boxes. I'm so excited about this stuff. We're going to swatch them out. This one. Let's see what this is. This is a magnetic. Oh, wow. I thought there was 2 magnetic cat's eye gels, so it definitely can't be that one. Is it this one? You guys, no. I thought there was 2 magnetic cat's eye gels. Oh, maybe I was mistaken. There was jelly, magnetic, watercolor, and what is this one? Oh, jelly. Okay. Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm literally so freaking excited. Like, I cannot. I can not. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so let's swatch these out. Hold on, let me look for my swatch sticks. Don't judge me. I think I know where they are. Okay, I gotta go back here behind the secret wall. Hold on, I really do have to go back there, y'all, so hold on a second. Whoops, making a mess. All right, swatching sticks. I guess since we have jellies, then we'll just use the clear ones for today. And then see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. And let's turn on my nail lamp. Oops, sorry if I'm shaking the table. I guess I have to use this plate. I have another plate that I love to use for this, but it's currently in use for something else. So anyways, thank you again so much to Born Pretty. This one is J29, and it's this super deep royal electric amazing blue, like the best blue there ever was. Hold on, let me see. Can y'all see well enough? Like, I should probably Why do I do this to myself? Hold on. I had, okay, perfect. Alright, we're gonna do this. This will be way better, if you ask me. Alright, now you guys will be able to see everything. Now I need a drink of coffee. That was a lot of work. Some of you may be able to tell I've been drinking a little too much coffee today. That's neither here nor there. Oh my gosh, this. So the new theme for my nail art challenge, theme 3, is, drum roll please, opposites attract. Yeah. We all know I can't sing. I'm so freaking excited. This is flawless. I mean, I literally only used one dip, and this coverage, this is exactly why I love Born Pretty. Like, you are not gonna get that everywhere. You just not. My nail lamp is dead. I swear this happens every single time that I'm with y'all and I turn on my nail lamp. Oh, it's not dead. Why it ain't working? What? Hold on, y'all. Okay, there we go. I just love Born Pretty so much. I can't think of one polish that I've used by them except for a magnetic cat eye gel, I will say, that I've had to use more than one layer or one coat. Normally all their polishes are literally one and done, which I love. So this one is JN23. Is this the pink one? Oh gosh, yes. So I'm thinking opposites attract with this pink and blue. I swear. Okay, so this is like super bubblegum. This is so Barbie-esque. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about when I talk, so don't take me seriously. I just be talking. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. Now this one I would have to put 2 coats just because I love this color. Oh my gosh. And don't be like me getting it underneath, because it's jelly. It's jelly. Ah, it's so pretty. Okay. I am obsessed. Okay, so now that I'm relaxed, let's move on. The next one is green. I'm a little nervous, but I'm also really excited. So let's do that one next, because it's JN42. Oh, I need another drink of coffee to this. So excited. There's this lady that does nails. I can't think of her name right now. I think it's Joan. And she always drinks wine when she does them, or she drinks coffee, I think. And like she be like shaking sometimes because she works so much. Like, she's one of those ladies, I don't know if she still does it, but during the pandemic she was pushing out daily videos and multiple videos a day. Oh, this is so ugly. Like, honestly, I respect it and I like it. It's giving like super nature vibes. Like, I could totally imagine this as the backdrop for like a cherry blossom or a bamboo. This is making me think of like some panda bears and some bamboo. Like, this would be my backdrop. I really honestly do like it. It's just like, I wouldn't, if I had a shelf or like a collection to choose from and this was one of the options, I wouldn't pick it up. I'd be like, you know, it has a slight blue hue. You know, there's one thing about me. I love all the colors, but I don't like some of them to be mixed. Like, I'm not a violet person. I'm not a turquoise person. I don't like teal. The closest I will say that I am to like a mix would be, I really like indigo. That's like my all-time favorite color in history. Like, if you know that about me, like only one person knows that about me, is probably my mom, because elementary school indigo is like my everything. All right, here we go with the cat eye magnetic gel. Let me see. I have my magnet somewhere, I just don't know. Oh, hold on. Samantha, Hold on. Oh, I need to stop being so lazy. All right. Lazy. Okay, I got my magnetic. Oh my gosh. So the only other one of this that I've tried is from Madam Glam. And well, this has some white color into it. It's definitely, oh well, I don't know. It seems like it seems to be less clear and have like a color to it. Like, it's very, I don't know how to explain it, y'all. Just leave me alone. How about that? Yeah, I'm gonna need you to leave me alone. Thanks. Oh crap. Okay, I see you. I see you. Hey, this is gonna work for the minimalistic magic challenge. Okay, mommy. Look at you, girl. Look at you. Ooh, can we get some of this? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Okay, I gotta stop. I'm obsessed. No, I really like this. Like, I need some of the... So obviously you guys know I'm not like a pro and I'm only so experienced. Can you guys tell me, do you think there's a difference between the different brands and their, for example, holographic magnetic cat eye? Because I really love this one. I really do. The consistency, I think that played a big role too. It's thicker. It is thicker. All right, so now we're gonna play around with this. Now I don't know what to expect here. I've never used this, but I have a few colors here. I actually have so we're gonna put a layer, and then I'm assuming you don't cure it. Hold on, y'all. I have some art liners. Oh, let's just do black. Let's keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. That's what my boyfriend says. I'm calling him my boyfriend today. Get up out my business. Go watch our video and see who knows who better. Are y'all ready? This is all they do, right? This is all I'm supposed to have to do, supposedly. Okay. I could see. It's cool. I mean, I did a really bad job. Don't judge me. I did a horrible job, but I actually really want to work with this. I love Born Pretty. Thank you so much, Born Pretty. You guys have no idea. Like, I know that, you know, people may watch my videos and think, well, like, she has to say that stuff. But I genuinely really love Born Pretty's products. I remember before I would get their products and collaborate with them, I would always want them to reach out to me, be like, can they please reach out to me? And I would go and I would spam them on Instagram, as always. And finally they reached out to me and I was like, oh my gosh, I feel so happy. Thank you. And I was just so thankful. So thank you so much, Born Pretty. I really appreciate collabing with you guys every single time we collab. I'll put my magnet up here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to... Oh, this part's not magnetic. Oh my. Oh man, only the base is magnetic. Ugh, that's annoying. Hold on, let me see. Oh, I'll put it right here. That'll be good. Okay, found a place for it. But anyways, so thank you so much to Born Pretty. I'm so thankful. Thank you guys for sitting and swatching, unboxing and swatching. You guys are gonna be seeing me create a set with this package. I think I could really incorporate all these colors into a set. Well, you guys know the idea that I have for that one, so I'm going to save that. But these three for sure, and the watercolor one, I can definitely use to create something. So drop some comments or DM me and let me know what kind of nail designs I should create, because I'm super excited. Thank you so much, Born Pretty. Do remember, you guys can always save on your Born Pretty with my discount code Scorpion. Is it Scorpion Goddess? Yes, Scorpion Goddess. And I love you guys so much. Be sure to participate in our Goddess Gang Nail Art Challenge. I'm not going nowhere, y'all. I'm just ending this video so I can start a new one. So I'll be right back.